Welcome. If you've ever opened your Gmail app to review sent emails, only to find it cluttered with countless calendar notifications and meeting invitations, this is for you. Today I'll show you a simple way to view only your regular sent emails, excluding all those calendar updates, right from the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. Here's how you do it, step by step. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. You'll want to make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage more than one. Next, look for the menu icon. Those three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon, in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on this menu icon to reveal the navigation panel. From here, scroll down and tap on Sent. This is where Gmail keeps a record of all emails you've sent from your account, including both standard emails and calendar-related messages. At the top of your screen, you'll notice the search bar. Just below it, you'll see a set of filter options designed to help you organize or search through your sent items more efficiently. Here's the crucial step. Scroll through the filter choices and tap Exclude Calendar Updates. Once you select this option, Gmail will instantly remove all calendar-related messages, such as meeting invites, reschedules, and event notifications, from your sent folder view. This leaves you with just your regular sent emails, making it easy to track, follow up, or find important conversations without the clutter of calendar notifications. This little-known filter saves time and keeps your sent emails organized, especially if you manage a busy schedule or send frequent invitations. Keep in mind, whenever you need to see those calendar updates again, simply deactivate the filter, and they'll return to your sent folder view. That's all it takes to streamline how you view sent emails in Gmail. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay organized and make the most of your inbox. Thanks for watching.